Welcome back to Daco, where we transform outdoor spaces into beautiful garden escapes filled with charm and inspiration. Today, we're exploring a cozy rustic garden retreat packed with upcycled treasures and creative ideas perfect for small courtyard landscaping. Whether you have a tiny patio, a narrow backyard, or a hidden corner waiting for new life, this video will show you how rustic style can create warmth and magic in any space. Rustic gardens have a timeless beauty because they combine natural textures, vintage elements, and handmade details that feel welcoming and personal. Old wooden crates, weathered pots, reclaimed furniture, and antique decor can all become stunning focal points that bring character to your courtyard retreat. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Daco for more inspiring home garden design ideas. Give this video a like, and share your favorite rustic garden feature in the comments below because we'd love to hear your creative thoughts and ideas. The secret to a cozy rustic courtyard starts with the foundation of the space. Natural stone pathways, gravel flooring, and aged brick surfaces instantly create an old-world atmosphere that feels peaceful and inviting. Even in a compact courtyard, layered textures can make the area feel rich and full of personality. Wood plays an important role in rustic garden styling. Reclaimed wooden pallets can become vertical planters, rustic benches, or decorative wall panels that add warmth and authenticity. The imperfect grain, faded paint, and weathered edges give every piece a story that makes the garden feel lived in and comforting. To complete the base design, add climbing plants along fences and walls to soften hard surfaces. Ivy, jasmine, and creeping vines create a lush backdrop that transforms a small courtyard into a hidden garden sanctuary filled with greenery and natural charm. One of the most exciting parts of rustic garden design is turning forgotten items into beautiful garden decor. Old ladders can become vertical plant stands, vintage wheelbarrows can hold colorful flowers, and rusty metal buckets can be transformed into charming rustic planters. Vintage furniture also works beautifully in courtyard landscaping. An old wooden chair with peeling paint can become a flower display, while an antique table creates a perfect centerpiece for candles and potted herbs. These unique pieces make the space feel creative and deeply personal. Mixing textures is what makes upcycled decor so visually interesting. Combining aged wood, terracotta pots, galvanized metal, and woven baskets creates a layered rustic look that feels cozy without becoming cluttered. The goal is to make every corner feel thoughtfully collected over time. A rustic retreat should always include a comfortable place to relax and enjoy the atmosphere. Small wooden benches with soft cushions, hanging chairs, or compact bistro seating can transform even the tiniest courtyard into a peaceful outdoor living area. Layering fabrics helps make the garden feel warm and inviting. Neutral linen cushions, knitted throws, and earthy tone pillows add softness while maintaining the rustic aesthetic. These cozy details encourage people to slow down, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of the garden. Adding a small fire pit or lantern corner can also create a magical evening atmosphere. Soft lighting combined with natural textures gives the courtyard a calm and intimate feeling that makes the space enjoyable both day and night. Plants are the heart of every rustic garden retreat. Mixing herbs, wildflowers, ornamental grasses, and trailing greenery creates a relaxed and natural appearance that feels effortlessly beautiful. Lavender, rosemary, and sage are especially perfect because they add fragrance along with texture and color. Terracotta pots and aged containers help reinforce the rustic theme. Instead of matching everything perfectly, try combining different shapes, sizes, and finishes to create a more authentic collected look. Slight imperfections often make the arrangement feel even more charming. Vertical gardening is another smart solution for small courtyards. Hanging baskets, wall-mounted planters, and stacked wooden crates allow you to maximize greenery without taking up valuable floor space. This technique keeps the courtyard lush while maintaining an open and airy layout. The smallest decorative touches often make the biggest difference in a rustic courtyard garden. Vintage lanterns, old watering cans, handmade signs, and weathered mirrors can instantly add character and visual interest to empty corners. Lighting is especially important for creating a cozy retreat atmosphere. Warm string lights draped across fences or pergolas create a soft glow that makes the garden feel romantic and welcoming after sunset. Candle lanterns and solar lights can also enhance the peaceful mood. To make the courtyard feel even more connected to nature, incorporate natural materials wherever possible. Woven baskets, stone accents, wooden sculptures, and clay pottery help create harmony between the plants and decorative elements, resulting in a balanced rustic design. A cozy rustic garden retreat is all about creativity, comfort, and personal expression. By combining upcycled treasures, natural textures, layered greenery, and warm lighting, even the smallest courtyard can become a peaceful outdoor sanctuary filled with timeless charm. Rustic landscaping doesn't require a huge budget or a large space. Sometimes the most beautiful gardens are created from simple reclaimed materials and thoughtful details that reflect your personality and love for nature. Every vintage piece and handmade touch adds warmth and authenticity to the space. Thank you so much for spending time with Daco today. We hope these rustic courtyard ideas inspire your next garden transformation. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment sharing your favorite rustic garden feature or upcycled idea. We'll see you again in the next inspiring garden design video.